Hello kids, my name is Atin. Today I will teach you a kite with the help of number 4. Draw a 4 number on your page with the help of pencil. Take your colors to fill the colors. Now we are going to start with the help of 4. We are going to make it kite. Here is our 4 number. I am extending this line little bit more. One slanting line touching to the first point to the last point. One more slanting line from the first point to the end point. One more slanting line going towards from the side point to the downside lower point. One slanting line going towards downside. One slanting line going towards downside. One slipping line. Here our kite is ready. One wave line for making a thread. Here my wave line. It is a thread. Few triangles for the design of a kite. Few triangles on the thread of a kite. Kids, your kite is ready with the help of number 4. Now we are going to fill a color inside. Take it yellow color. We are going to fill yellow color inside. First border it. The portion where you are doing a color. Fill inside. Fill on a cross manner. If you want to make it whole yellow kite, also you can make it. Here I made it cross coloring. Now I am going to take it orange color. Cover the border. Fill inside in ascending mode. Again on a cross level, fill the color inside, orange color. Here my top portion of kite is ready. Now take it red color. Cover the portion. Fill inside. Fill it slowly. It is a small part. Again take it sky blue color. Fill it in the triangles. If you want to make it colorful triangles, you can take it colorful triangles. I am going to make it colorful. So I am changing the colors. You can also change the colors. If you need a unique color, then you can also take a unique color. Do not change the colors. Here my kite is ready. If you want to show a clouds, you can make it clouds with the help of marker. 1 curve, 2 curve, 3 curve, 4 curve, 5 curve, 6 curve, 1 slipping line. This is my cloud. One more cloud here. 1, 2, 3, 4 curve and 1 slipping line. This is my another cloud. Now take it sky blue color for filling inside. First border it. Color cannot get outside. Otherwise it will spoil our drawing. Fill inside very slowly. Here my one cloud is ready. Cover the white dots. Now coming to other cloud, 1 curve, another curve, another curve and my another curve. Cover the slipping position, fill inside with the slipping mode. Here my sky is also ready, my kite is also ready. Kids, you can enjoy with the numbers, with the line, shapes. Thank you kids. Here your drawing is ready.